In this video, I'm going to explain how Cash App works even if you don't have a bank account, and I'll also walk you through the setup process step by step. A lot of people think you need a traditional bank account to use Cash App, but that's not actually true. Cash App can function as its own standalone financial tool, so you can send, receive, and spend money without ever linking a bank. Here's how it works. When you create a Cash App account, the app gives you your own balance inside Cash App. This is like a mini bank account built into the app itself. Any money people send you will stay there until you spend it, send it to someone else, or withdraw it. The great part is you don't need a bank account just to use those funds. Now, let's talk about how to set it up. First, download the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play. Open it up and sign up with your phone number or email address. You'll get a confirmation code to verify your account. Once you're inside, you'll see your balance at the bottom. At this point, you can already receive money by sharing your unique Cash App tag, which is like your username, or by giving people your email or phone number linked to the app. When someone sends you money, it goes straight into your Cash App balance. If you want to spend money directly without ever touching a bank account, order the free Cash App card. It's a Visa debit card connected to your Cash App balance. You can use it online, in stores, or even withdraw cash at ATMs. Every purchase simply pulls from your Cash App balance instead of a linked bank. That's how you can manage your money completely within Cash App. To add money without a bank, you can use Cash App's paper money deposit feature. This allows you to deposit physical cash at participating stores like Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, or 7-Eleven. Once the cashier scans your barcode, the money instantly loads onto your Cash App balance. That way, you can use Cash App almost like a prepaid card system without needing a bank at all. Now, there are a few things to keep in mind. If you don't link a bank, you can't instantly transfer money out of Cash App to a traditional account. You'll be limited to using your balance directly, the Cash App card, or withdrawing cash at ATMs. But for many people who want to avoid traditional banks, this setup works perfectly. You can receive paychecks through direct deposit, load cash, spend with the Cash Card, and send money to friends, all from inside Cash App. And that's it. In this video, you learned exactly how Cash App works without a bank account and how to set it up so you can use it as your everyday money app. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.